As a digital brush maker, my role oftentimes is to translate the traditional media onto a screen. So I capture the essence, the texture, the look and feel of a traditional media, and then bring them either on iPad or into a computer screen. So when an artist tells me my brushes feel like the real thing, that means that I have done my job well. Hi, my name is Esther Nariyoshi. I am an illustrator myself and also a brush maker. I am the creator and the owner behind professionaldigitalbrushes.com. In this class, I will walk you through my general process of creating a digital brush from the beginning to the end. We will get started by collecting all the materials that we will need, and I will show you how I make marks and source my textures. And then we will move on to capturing the paper textures onto a digital screen. And then we will use the marks that we have made and turn them into a digital brush. This class is designed for beginner illustrators who are ready to dip their toes into the brush making process. And it's also great for people who are just curious and want to peek over my shoulder and to see how the sausage is made. This class is not meant to be exhaustive or exhausting, so I hope you can sit back and learn something new today. I'll see you in class.
This one accidentally have a smiley face. I just love it. I did not plan for this. This is awesome.